Hi, this is Susan from Simply Classic by Susan, where it is my mission to help you live simply, to look your best, be your best, and do your best. So welcome to the first closet tour. Thank you so much for asking. And I want to let you know that this is going to be more of a talk about organization, storage, and how to properly care for your clothing, more than actually giving you a description or showing you each piece that hangs in my wardrobe. If you've been following me for a while, you know that today is day 320 of my year of no new clothes shopping. So if you scroll through the photos, you can probably see just about everything that is in my wardrobe. But if you have specific questions about items, feel free to send me a message or a comment, and I'm always happy to share that with you. Just to let you know, this home was built in 1962. I prefer older homes. I feel they have a little bit more character. This closet has not been redone. As much as I would love to have a beautiful California-esque closet, this is just a very basic closet. It works very well for me. Each time I transition it, it's a little bit different. It's never the same. You might be surprised to know that each time I transition my closet, even through a year of no new clothes shopping, I'm always eliminating pieces. So pieces are always coming out. I'm always trying to downsize. I personally wish my wardrobe was a bit smaller. For some of you, you will be amazed at how small it is. And some of you may look at this closet and think, wow, she has a lot of clothing. Each of us, we're in a different place. We have different needs with our wardrobes. So grace, not perfection. It's okay depending on your personal balance of life. Are you living within your physical means, which means your space that you're storing your clothes accommodates it well? Are you living within your budget? Do you have the time to care for your wardrobe well? And the mental space of acquiring and curating a wardrobe to meet your needs. So each of us is going to be in a different place. There's no judgment here. I'm just wanting to share this with you to maybe spark some new conversations about carrying and storage of clothing. All right, you ready? Ta-da! Okay, so as you can see, it's very basic, single hanging bar organization. Everything is on wooden hangers, which you hear me talk about often. I start with my dresses on the left. They are sleeveless to short sleeve to long sleeve. I'm already looking through here and I recognize a few dresses that I maybe wore once last season and actually last fall, winter, and then a couple dresses I didn't wear at all. The other thing about my wardrobe, the goal for myself and for all of my clients for Simply Classic, I want a person to be able to get dressed for any occasion at a moment's notice, whether it's a wedding, a funeral, a job interview, whatever it is. I want you over time, emphasis on that. It takes time. You have to know your personal style, your wants and needs. You need to get your basics down first, but it takes time to curate a wardrobe. I have pieces in here that are 15 plus years old. So not only does it take time to find the right pieces, but then you also have to care for them very well. So that's what we're going to talk about today. I move into pants next. For the most part, my denim is always folded. I don't have a lot of denim. You may or may not be surprised. We can talk about that some other time. With an exception, I do hang my denim trousers, and my denim skirt is a go-to piece, so that hangs in the front. I also have my skinny cropped denim jeans, just very plain. Typically, I've always put these away for spring and summer into storage, but I have found that this is a great jean to pair with my tall boots for fall winter. I don't have to worry about pushing them down into the boots. I don't get that bunching at the knee because it's a very slim. So if you have a cropped skinny denim that would work with your tall boots, consider keeping it in your wardrobe for fall winter. Then move into my dress pants and trouser style pants, all of my blouses, sleeveless to short sleeve to long sleeve. You will notice I do not have knits or sweaters hanging. That is an ultimate no-no as far as taking care of your clothing long term. I then move into jackets and blazers. My skirts are toward the back, and I even have some hanging scarves back here that I may or may not use for the fall winter season. On the shelf above, these are folded knits, and you will see the cedar plank below. I've got lining in there for those. These are sweater dresses that I keep folded. My heavy coat-again is here, and then also a sweater wrap. Again, sweaters are always folded, not hanging, especially your dresses, because they would grow as they are on the hanger for the entire season. All of my clutch bags and then my handbags are cleaned, polished, stuffed so that they hold their original shape. Same at the top shelf. I have a basket with my winter scarves and wraps. 2 simple storage boxes. One is labeled for sewing, the other is for shoe care. So quick sewing tools there, and then simple polishes and buffers and everything like that that I need for my shoes. These are the spring summer backstock shoes, and something a little bit different this year, those are all the boxes for my boots. Typically I keep all of my shoes in their original boxes to help care for them better, but because my boots take up a little bit more space and they're more of a go-to item for the fall winter, I decided to house those in the back corner of my closet. My tall boots have the stays in them, and quick, easy shoe care. I keep baby wipes in my closet at all times. They're great for removing deodorant off of your clothes, but I also wipe my shoes after each wear before I put them into their shoe box. It keeps them clean. I'm able to kind of monitor if they need any other, and then I quickly polish my shoes. Almost if I have a leather pair of shoes on for the day, I quickly polish them before I wear them out for the day. The rest of my shoes are housed in their original boxes. They're labeled, very easy access for me to get to. I don't particularly like this storage solution, but this is my loungewear and my sleepwear. I usually rotate through about 4 pieces of sleepwear, and I just keep it all in this box just because it's easy. So that is my closet. We will move over to my dresser. So I have one dresser that I house more items in. The top, I keep my everyday simple go-to jewelry pieces, a simple mix of silver and gold, just in this tray, easy access. And a couple of my necklaces are on my little girly girl over here. The top drawer is lingerie. I know a lot of you have questions about how many bras, how do you take care of bras, all of that. So we can get into that at a later date if you have more questions about that. Camisoles, panties, leg wear, tights, socks, trouser socks, all of that is organized. My second drawer is accessories. My collection pieces stay in their original boxes, and then I have just these fabric separator boxes, all of my belts, scarves, everything. I know where everything is. It's very easy for me to find what I need. My next drawer is all of my workout wear. So sports bras, running tops, running pants, all of my leg wear stays in a basket. And the next 2 drawers are for folded inventory of knits and sweaters. And I do use shelf liners in my drawers, and I do house cedar planks in here. I've had people make the comment before that they do or do not like cedar. And a simple, easy solution, just more sweaters down here. A simple, easy solution, if you do not like cedar, cedar is the best way to care for it as far as making sure that the pests stay off of your sweaters, especially cashmere and wool. You do not want to house sweaters for a long time if they smell of perfume. You need to make sure that things are very well cleaned before you put them in storage, because those pests will be attracted to that. But cedar does work very well to keep it nice and clean. If you do not like the smell, consider just doing a DIY atomizer for your clothes. You can fill a simple squirt bottle with like a tablespoon of baking soda and add water. If you want to add essential oils to make it smell differently, you can do that. And you can also do like maybe 3 parts of water to 1 part of white vinegar and mix that into a bottle and just simple spray of your clothes. It can eliminate that cedar smell if that is something that bothers you. But I hope that this helps. My off-season storage, people often ask, where's the rest of your clothing? I have one bin, just a regular Rubbermaid size bin of folded spring summer, and then I also have one garment bag of hanging, there are probably maybe 8 pieces hanging in a breathable garment bag of spring summer. Everything else, this is it. I'd love to know what you think of the storage. If you do have more questions, like I said, send a DM or leave a comment. I love making these videos for you. Please keep asking for more information and more topics, and I will do my best. Thank you.